I'm Craig Head with the Nebraska Farm Bureau, and I'm here today with Bruce Rieker. Bruce is the Vice President of Government Relations for Nebraska Farm Bureau, and Bruce, that means you're responsible for leading our advocacy efforts down at the Capitol, and it was a busy week this week, particularly in the Education Committee as it relates to property taxes. What went on down at the Capitol this week?
Well, it's been a busy couple of weeks. Last week we had the Revenue Committee hearings on some of the governor's tax bills and others on the property tax side of relief. And then this week in the Education Committee, there were several bills. In fact, there were 4 bills that were heard. Primarily was LB 959, which was introduced by Senator Kate Sullivan on behalf of the governor, aimed at controlling spending in schools. It doesn't limit spending, it doesn't cut spending, but it puts some controls on how much they can increase their budgets on an annual basis. I want to thank David Grimes, one of our board of directors, who testified on behalf of Farm Bureau. It was great to have a member come in. David testified on all 4 bills that were heard and did a fantastic job. And that's what the legislature's looking for, is they want to hear from the people that are out in the field, people that have experience, school board experience on these various issues, the subject matter experts. David did a great job, and I think we made some progress with the committee.
Great. And another bill that was up this week, I know, in that committee was LB 883, and that deals with some foundation aid for schools, and we supported that as well. Talk about that one a little bit.
Okay, Senator Scheer from Norfolk introduced 883. He had a couple bills before the committee, 882, which also had some spending controls. But LB 883 was primarily focused on creating a foundation aid package that would result in some property tax relief if implemented. It'd be implemented over 5 years. It starts out with foundation aid per student of $1,500 the first year, moving up to $3,000 by year 4. It's estimated that it would produce about $250 to $255 million of direct property tax relief by the 5th year that it's implemented. We supported that bill as well. We supported the governor's bill. In fact, we supported all 4 bills because we think that there's good things in each of them. However, we're hoping that, and we're working with the legislature and the committee to take the best parts of each of those bills and put them together.
That's your update from the state capitol. Stay tuned to NEFB.org for more.